Hey YouTube, today I got some lithium batteries to unbox. So I already popped them open. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so what I got is some 75 amp hour EVE cells. I got these from Lisa Wong on Facebook. She posted them up for sale and I was like, well, I want to try these out and see how they do. They're Lifepo4. They're like I would say like a medium C rate for Lifepo4. They're not super high C rate. But I'm going to test and see what they actually do. They're high capacity cells, so these are 75 amp hour cells. So 4 of them, 75 amp hour pack. And I've been looking for something to do some solar with, and I figured I'd give these a try. So they're studded, so you have a negative and a positive terminal, which is really nice for DIY busing. They're an aluminum block style cell, and they have a vent cap on the top. If you've seen my other lithium videos, actually I got a ton of testing I need to post from the summer. I've just been so busy doing stuff while it's nice out that I'll have a bunch of videos saved up for winter. But, yeah. As you can see, 75 amp hour battery. It's not very big. These will work with standard charging, and I want to do a 12 volt power supply system or inverter system with my solar. Instead of running higher volt, I want something that I can charge with my vehicle or engine and alternator setup for backup. And in order to do that, I got to run 12 volts. So that's just the way I'm going to do it. And yeah, I'm going to test these cells to see how they work for solar. Not so much for car audio, but hey, we'll test that too. See what they'll do. Like I said, I've got a bunch of other cells that not sure if I've posted the data yet on them or the testing, but be sure to look out for that too. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Got a bunch of stuff coming.